So how do you fund your account with Neteller, Perfect Money, or Skrill? Now, the first thing you want to do is to first and foremost have your MT5 account created. And at the very top in your Tentrade dashboard, you click on Deposit Funds and select the MT5 account you want to fund. And this drop down, you will see Neteller, Perfect Money, or Skrill. Now, Neteller, Perfect Money, or Skrill are third-party payment processor. So to use any of those platforms, the first thing is you want to already have an account with these platforms, and those accounts has to be funded independently. So if you select Neteller, for example, let's see how that looks like. Click on Continue. And how much do you want to fund with? Let's say $10. Click on Continue. And once you do this, click on Continue, you are going to be redirected to log into your Neteller account. The same thing is going to happen for Perfect Money. The same thing is going to happen to Skrill. So you need to log into your Neteller, Skrill, or Perfect Money account to make this payment. So let's say what's going to load up right here. Okay, so over here, this will be the page for you to log into your Neteller. You're going to see the same thing happen on Perfect Money, also on Skrill. And as soon as you made the payment, immediately the funds will reflect on your MT5 account.